I'm Sean Tetpon, and this is The Exchange. We're at the ACORD Loma Systems Forum Show, the insurance industry's biggest event of the year. Let's go inside and find out what's going on.
Don't forget that. Those days are gone. Predictability has gone out the window and it isn't coming back.
The insurance industry has to transform very, very fast, catching up with the other industries, and I think it's the right momentum to be here and to innovate and to find innovative scenarios for this industry.
The ACORD conference is important for two reasons. One is ACORD itself, being the industry standard for data exchange between carriers and agency systems and other third-party systems. So ACORD itself, as the common conduit for sharing that data, is essential to what I do.
The reason that's important is IBM, of course, has talked a lot about services-oriented architecture as the way for companies to really sort of get out of the legacy box that they're in right now with systems that are outdated and difficult to maintain and difficult to update. Services-oriented architecture holds a great deal of promise for those organizations to kind of replace gradually those systems as opposed to a rip and replace that's high risk, very expensive, and prone to failure. Without SOA, you can't make all that happen. Without the standards that ACORD and Loma and organizations like them provide, it's difficult to make SOA work.
Let's say you're getting ready to buy some health insurance, or maybe car insurance. Are you willing to buy it without using an agent?
We just are releasing here at ACORD Loma the U.S. Agent Survey, and really kind of came into two parts. We talked to consumers and asked them, what do you feel about your insurance agent, and what do you feel about the direct channel, and what would it take maybe to switch? And we also talked to agents and asked them, how do you feel about your insurance carrier, what drives satisfaction with your carrier, what sorts of things might make you switch. And we really found a couple of things that I think are interesting and maybe a little bit counterintuitive. There's clearly a segment of the market that no matter what you offer them, more than half of our customers that we surveyed said, you can pay me whatever amount of money you want, I am still committed to my relationship with the insurance agent. They feel like that face-to-face contact is important, they feel like the ability to get customized advice is important, and they aren't necessarily willing to go to the direct channel.
Okay, so consumers aren't ready to forego their agent to buy insurance directly online. In fact, 3/4 of Americans say they're satisfied with their agent and they'll do repeat business with them. So client loyalty surely ranks high in agent satisfaction, right?
On the agent side, the thing that drives agent satisfaction with carriers is the ability for the carrier to support that agent and the ability for the carrier to maintain a reputation and a brand that the agent trusts and feels like is helping them be successful. A lot of times I think people think agents are motivated by cash and by awards and by commissions and all of those things. Those did not score nearly as highly as the ability of the carrier to make that agent more successful, not so much through the finances, but through all the process enhancements that carriers try and provide to help sort of attract the best agents in the marketplace.
So there you have it. Would you skip over your insurance agent and buy insurance directly online? Post your comments on The Exchange, video blogging and financial services. For The Exchange, I'm Sean Tetpon.
Who knew from teleprompters? Good morning, everybody.
This tight agents. Oh. Good, come.
That was very comprehensive. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about today that we haven't touched?
No.